It's IBC2025. We are here on the Marshall booth, and I'm joined by Bernie. Hi, Bernie. How are you?
Hello there.
Pleased to meet you. Now, Bernie, we are looking at a fine array of cameras here. Tell me what we're looking at.
Well, we have introduced a number of new cameras at IBC 2025. First off, we have a new dual camera PTZ camera. It's got a 25x built-in zoom lens, and it's got a POV camera, both of which feed the AI to help it that much better in the dynamics and the ballistics and the tracking of the subject matter.
And that's the POV camera we're seeing is the pip on the screen.
POV.
There.
Well, we're looking at the POV camera right there, and
Yeah.
this is a PTZ camera behind it, and you can see I
Okay.
can roll around. So with this new system, I can set up a number of areas where the camera will go and no go. So between the two cameras, so for instance, if you have a venue where there's signage you don't want seen, you can have this camera track to that point and stop, but then follow on the other side of the scene where the client went. And you can do this through our programming.
Okay.
We also, with our POV camera, we can do a head count, see how many people are in attendance. If it's a church or a university or a training group for an organization or a business.
Wow. Okay.
So, and I assume there'll be more software for that down the road, like maybe how many people slept during that presentation or something. We'll have to wait and see what happens there.
Will there be things like facial recognition built in as well?
Well, it's already got facial recognition. It may go as far as who's attended the facial recognition, but I don't see that software.
Yeah, cool.
And we might be stepping on privacy concerns at that point also.
Absolutely.
That's been the biggest problem with tracking is who's there and who's not and who wants to be seen and who doesn't.
Yeah, some very useful features on there. We've also got two box cameras here. Talk me through those.
Okay, so we have these new box cameras. They have 27x zoom lenses. We find we call these beauty shot cameras. These will be used at venues, rock concerts. Maybe when the performer stands on the X, these cameras are set up so that when the performer's on the X, they go to the big screen, program out, and you get that picture.
Gotcha.
So with a 27x, we can put these anywhere in an arena and pretty much get the shot we want. Now we have two versions. We have an IP version, and then we have the new ND3 version.
Cool.
So we have quite a few ND users, and we're continuing to move forward with NDI.
And so what sort of environments are you seeing these used in?
Once again, courtrooms, entertainment venues primarily, and educational venues where they just need not a pan and tilt, but just to zoom in and out.
Yeah, and a very good zoom as well. Yeah,
Yes,
27 times, yeah.
27x, yeah.
Then we've got your controller here.
Right. So this is our VS-PTC-300. You can go 7 cameras very easily. Well, in the old days, if you wanted to access a camera on a controller, you'd have to hit a button camera and then hit a 1 and hit take. You had to do 2 or 3 buttons just to get a camera. On this new controller, I can hit camera 1. It'll be right there, camera 2, camera 3, so I can see on my controller with a single button take each and every camera so I can get it set up for preview and get it controlled.
And this is all IP controlled?
Actually, we're legacy, we're IP, we're 232, and 422 because there's still a lot of old stuff out there. We want to maintain that compatibility.
Cool. And then finally, on your PC here, what are we seeing
our
here?
PC, we're just showing the GUI you would or could use with this PTZ camera. If you were to set up windows in areas where the camera can't traverse, you would do it through here.
Okay, gotcha.
Otherwise, I have a handheld remote control that I can just control that camera with.
Fantastic. Is everything we're seeing here, Bernie, is it available now, shipping now?
Everything will be available within the next 60 days.
Okay, amazing. And for people not at IBC, where can they find more information online?
They can go to www.marshall-usa.com.
Bernie, thank you very much indeed.
Do check out
the website for everything that Marshall are offering. We're doing a couple of more videos on the booth with Bernie to look out for those. And everything else we're doing at IBC, it's at kitplus.com.